Hey everyone, welcome back to some Excel basics. Today we're going to cover max, min, and round. These are three pretty handy, quick and easy formulas, functions that are going to help you identify the max value in a range, the minimum value in a range, and then let's say in some of these cases where we have a decimal, we're just going to go ahead and round those numbers up. So we're still working with this June 2023 data set here. So we're going to be looking outside of the total and outside the average. So we're going to be looking in this range here. You can quickly see what our max value is, which is what we'll expect to get returned from this array here. So for max, right, we're just looking for the highest number in this scenario, which should be 1,000. And then if you do the same over here in our duration, you'll see that we get the max duration. That happens to be 350. Again, top number, get rid of those decimals there. And then the inverse of that is going to be the min for minimum. So quick and easy. We can obviously see which one it is just by looking at the data. It's 316. So if we have our decimal places hidden, it'll obviously go ahead and round that to the nearest whole number. Now in the scenario where we want to say also round that up, we're going to round it, and then the number of digits we want to round it to, it starts at 0, and it goes to 1 decimal, 2 decimal, etc. So in this one, we actually want to round it up to the nearest whole number. So as you can see, that went ahead and rounded the entire number up. That one comes in handy if you're trying to calculate things like head count. You're doing some equation that's giving you a lot of fractions, and you just want to get rid of those. You're going to have round, and then you can see the two other versions. So round down, maybe you want to automatically decrease if you're working with an average, or round up, depending on what you're trying to display in your data. So